Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to be taking you through how to make a service available in Uboss. If a service hasn't been set to be made available for assignment or hasn't been tariffed correctly, then the service will not appear for assignment against a user or a group. So let's get started. On the dashboard screen, select Settings from the left-hand menu and search for and select Services. In this example, we are adding call recording light and pricing it accordingly. As you can see, the Can this be assigned option is currently set to No. Select the call recording light service and at the bottom of the page, tick the Can be assigned box and press Save. We now need to price the service. If it isn't tariffed, it can't be seen or assigned. At home level, select Billing on the left-hand menu and search for and select Tariffs. Select the tariff you wish to add it to, and on the next screen, click Services. Click the search field and enter Call Recording. This will filter the list accordingly, and now we select the Call Recording Light service. Before we do, you will see that there is no pricing against the setup charge or the recurring charge for this service, just the dash. Select Call Recording Light User and enter the setup charge cell. Even if it's 0, there must be a figure entered here. And then enter Recurring Charge cell, and again there must be a figure here too. Select the relevant nominal code from the drop-down box against the setup charge and the recurring charge. And if you know your buy cost, enter the setup cost and the recurring cost next to in the buy column. This isn't mandatory, but if you want to view your profit and loss reports, the buy rates need to be added. Once that's completed, tick the Apply to all SDR tariffs if required. You may decide you only want it applied to one of your customer tariffs and not all of them, and then click Save. It will now take you back to the previous screen and you can see that the service is now priced. To add the service to a user, select Users from the left-hand side and then choose the user you want to assign it to. Once you're in the user profile, click Packages and Services, and then scroll down and tick the required service. Press Save and the service is now live for the selected user and their 30-day contract term has commenced. For our example for this video, we have used the Call Recording Light service. But if you ever go to add or assign a service to a user or a group and it is not available, we recommend that you follow these steps. First, check to see if the service can be assigned, and then secondly, make sure that the service has been tariffed. And that's it. We hope you found this useful and thank you for watching.